That one dance, baby. That one dance.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are here at Falconry of Kenya. The first thing you see is like this bar area over here. It is just right at the gate, and then opposite the bar area you have a sitting area, and then here we have the offices. At the reception is where you pay the entrance fee to Falconry of Kenya. So we paid 300 per person, so that was about 600 for 3 people.
It is so big. Imeishi miaka mingi sana.
You obviously can tell that the tortoise got my attention because it's so big, and I've never seen any other like that, and it was fed on bananas.
Nyama kama gani sasa inaweza kula?
Ebu just look at how these crocodiles are chilling. Like zimetulia tu, hazitaki maneno mingi, zinaanza tu jua freestyle. Then we have this big snake over here. Mimi ni muoga. I don't like snakes, but anyway, it's not a bad thing to see them in this condition because they're being taken care of, so they cannot attack you. The chances are not high. I believe so. After the snake section, we have the bird section. This is an owl.
Lakini Volcha anakula nyama nzuri na nikioza pia yeye anaendelea kukula. Yeye anatandika tu. Nataka kujua.
Something that I also learned is that most of the birds and the reptiles that you're going to find here are fed on meat, specifically meat. Just look at that all.
Hello there.
There are so many activities that you get to engage in while you're at the Falconry of Kenya. You even get to pet at all. This was so good, plus the fur is so soft, and it's something you're going to enjoy doing. So this here is a fish eagle. Here we have some tortoises. They are 10 to 15 years old, and they're so little. I hope you can see them. These ones are also 10 to 15 years. Here we have the firstborns. Yeah, the firstborns of the crocodiles that we saw almost near the entrance. Then lastly we have the second borns of the crocodiles. I definitely had to engage in this activity of feeding this falcon. When you look at it, it's like it's so easy, but when you do it, it's not as easy as that because the bird is heavy. So some meat is placed on your hand and then the bird is summoned using a whistle. It comes flying and lands on your hand, takes the piece of meat, and then you have to swish it. I'm honestly hoping that you've enjoyed watching the whole video.
Inakaa mzito.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, and I'm just happy to share with you this kind of videos because that is what my channel is mostly about. So thank you so much, and until next time, bye.